Hi, Smo.
Good morning. We're in Montreal. Honestly, leave it up to me to find the Airbnbs that are most likely to have a fire emergency at 2 a.m. It's insane at this point. Last year was the same thing, and I'm not in Montreal often. This is like the second Airbnb in Montreal I've ever gotten, and they both had a fire emergency. So I don't know. I don't know if that's a sign I should never come back here, but I need to poop, but I can't, and it's pissing me off because every time I go to a new bathroom, I just can't. My butthole doesn't want to. It's it's not used to this new toilet I'm presenting to it, and it sucks a little bit because that means that I need to keep this poop for 2 days in me. We're gonna be besties for this trip, and the ideal scenario would be me feeling like I'm gonna explode at any second and letting this. Okay, hi. Well, let's not talk about shitting. Today is the ASAP Rocky concert, and I got nosebleed tickets. So from the TikToks that I've seen, I'm kind of hoping that somebody would approach me and give me pit bracelets. Because I mean, I can. Okay, the upgrade. I can upgrade my ticket. It's not that pricey. I already checked. But where's the fun in that? I want it for free. So I'm just gonna like swarm around the guys who work there in the beginning of the concert to see if somebody would be like, hey, you're so pretty, come here, come down to the pit. And yeah, but for now, my plan for the day before all that, I want to go and choose an outfit because I'm not ready for an outfit. I did not bring an outfit, which is a mistake because I did it last year. It worked out well for me. But since this trip is taking, the same exact footsteps of the last trip, I'm assuming I'm gonna also find a cool outfit last minute. Which you should never do. This is a gamble, this is a risk, but whatever, it's fun this way. So I'm going to a bunch of thrift shops in Montreal, which I've always seen online. Whenever I see a cool thrift shop, it's like, it's so cool. And it's in Montreal. Nothing's in Quebec, nothing. Here's the best pair of shoes that you've seen online, but it's in this thrift shop in Montreal and we don't deliver. So I can't wait to go and see those bitches because I've been holding a grudge for a while and it feels nice to like be able to be a part of the Montreal group. I wanna have coffee. Unfortunately, my only option is to use this coffee machine that the Airbnb host provided me with. However, I remember seeing that one TikTok of a woman giving us a life hack about how to clean our clothes in hotels and Airbnbs by using the coffee machine to wash underwear. Which I'm not sure if I want Andy's taste in my coffee this morning, but I also read somewhere, okay, about this guy who adds their mayonnaise to his smoothies every day for protein, and God knows I need that. So I'm kind of conflicted. I don't want discharge coffee, but beef is expensive these days. What can I do? Hype me up. What is wrong with you?
Yeah, 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 oh.
My legs are unshaved, and that's why I'm gonna be sticking with jeans. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Bikini bottom dance.
I don't know how to do it. It's like.
What? The Squidward thing?
Yeah.
Why are you good at it?
I don't know. I'm good at everything. Look. Oh, I forgot it. See? No. Wait, it kind of worked.
Yeah, you're better on this side.
Yeah, my right arm. Anyways, I forgot a bag. No 13. There's 32 though.
What's wrong with 32?
I don't know, a lot of things.
Stop.
This is the coolest fucking bathroom I've ever been to. Swing, swing, swinging.
Look.
Oh no, kids. Swing. Can I jump or will I shatter my ankles?
Don't do that. We're on a trip.
I brought my insurance cards just in case. Is this what birds feel like in their cages and their swings?
If they do, I guess.
I get it. This is so much fun. Swing yoga. I bet some woman invented swing yoga. Some Margiela collection Boomba Clat. 350 though. It's cool. He wouldn't even try it on. This, but if it was tight. Coolness overall, it looks like a mess, but I love it. I love looking like a mess. Currently shopping for Charlie. Shopping for men still success, by the way. Online and in person, holy. I was gonna shop for myself, but I'm trying to like contain my urge and my will to get anything that comes my way because enough. You know, I just unintentionally bought 3 shoes online. I guess like enough is enough. I've been doing horribly with my online spending, so now I'm just sitting in a corner. I'm grounding myself. I'm grounded. I should never, because I was genuinely considering buying that Maison Margiela jacket, and that means I need immediate intervention by myself. There he is.
It's funny how you can tell that this makes me look like. We buy one?
I want to buy one. I don't think they sell it. Oh, I like this. Let's go on. I'm sold. I'm at the fountain. I don't think we're allowed to put quarters in, but I see one. Wait, I'll show you. I see one right there. I'll do it if you do it with me. Okay. We're both wishing something. Sit down. I don't want you to throw it away from so far. Okay. May God give me the most model ass ever. Should I talk to God about asses? I don't know.
Take that back.
Okay, I take that back. Okay, I'm gonna have a wish just specifically for the day, not in general, because I have bigger dreams than this, I promise. I hope some of the guys at the concert pick us up to go to the pit today. It happened a lot.
To the what?
To the pit, like down in the concert. Especially at tickets and ours. Oh. Perfect time to do a wish.
No.
Wish. You didn't wish for anything.
Oh. To be more jacked.
He wishes to be more jacked. Okay. Yee.
That had to have worked.
Do you feel jacked? Do you feel jacked?
Huh?
Do you feel jacked?
No, I'm gonna still need to put effort in. I just mean it's gonna work now.
Oh, well, that's boring.
No.
I don't want to do effort to go in the pit.
I don't want instant gratification.
Okay, bye. You better work. Can't wait for the church members to come and collect these. Okay. Bird. Shoe. Clothes. I'm thinking of getting this and just cutting the second part and wearing it as a t-shirt. That would be funny, right? Yeah, the sticker was $8. I'm not. I know it's cheaper than a whole outfit, but $8 feels like a lot. It's my principle. We're going to the skinny store for the first time in my life. I got out of Brandy Melville. They had a security guard. It was packed. I got scared and I left. And now we're here. We're at this matcha themed place. You guys are gonna be so disappointed with the shopping I did. I did none. So cute. Oh, it's the skinniest ice cream I've ever seen in a cup. Never get that full.
It's just tall.
Yeah, it's just a tall, skinny ice cream. Never fill the edges. That's a waste. That's extra money. I fell in love with Vinted. Listen, when you start browsing on Vinted and come to see in real life vintage designer resellers, they're so overpriced. So I kind of was like, I can find this probably for $200 cheaper on Vinted. No. So I ended up not getting anything. And the ASAP fit is even more basic. So like, yeah, these are the jeans I came in. I got a regular shirt, regular jeans, and oh, I don't know if I need to show you the boots. Because these are my birthday gifts from me to me, but obviously I couldn't wait. So I opened them and now I'm fully using them, but I don't know if I want to show you. They're super cool. I'm not gonna show you, but they're super cool. Trust and believe. Oh, you can see some of it. A trench coat, because I've seen ASAP wear trench coats a bunch of times. I look very basic, I don't know, but it's like cool girl, doesn't give a fuck, all designer basic. It's not all designer, but still you can kind of get the vibes. I'm still in between choosing this Dolce & Gabbana because my whole inspiration is the song Fashion Killer or these Isabel Marant. Oh, you can see Isabel Marant. Tell me. Option one. Option two. These are more fierce, more transparent, a little bit cooler. But these are Isabel Marant. I don't know. I feel like these are it. I don't know. These are it. Are they? No. No, these are it. Or I could just wear these glasses from the actual collab. But this is more classy, and I'm feeling a little bit trashy with the fit, so I don't know. You know what I mean? It's like brown. No, I'm going. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm getting tired, and it's like 6 p.m. Okay, let's see if I can walk 10 blocks in heels. And I will kill myself. I might ruin the concert for myself if I ruin these shoes in any shape or form. They're really good, I promise. Next video. I'm not brave. Imagine if this was Frank Ocean. I said the same exact line because you don't have to know. Just wait. Oh. Just waiting. Now in case somebody wants to invite us somewhere. I chickened out and went ahead and upgraded my seats myself.
What?
I'm talking. Same pants, same coffee, different day. With a flag. Dumbest store of all time. Dumb how cool it was. Sorry, I've been just hit with a post-concert depression and I can see brown in my hair. I did it 3 times. Jet black. It's not working. I just wish the bass wasn't cutting through my heart and stomach all night long, but other than that, shit, it was cool. I have nothing more to say. Like, whenever I go to a concert, I just expect myself to have the best time ever, and I do, but then I don't know how to recover. Like, am I supposed to go back to my mundane life now? It's just so boring. This trip made me realize I need more pants, generally. This is like the only pair I basically wear. That's a fire alarm, if you can't hear it, in a fucking coffee shop. Like, think we're cursed.